So here are three different types of functions where I want to identify the inner and the outer. So the inner I'm always going to do in blue, and the outer I will always do in red. So in the first one, the inner is this 2x squared minus 1, and it kind of works out that's like in the parentheses, and hopefully you're starting to realize that there might be a trend here. Then the outside is being raised to the 8th power. Going to the second one in the middle, this 4 plus 3x is on the inner, and then this sign is what's the outer. The x cubed plus x minus 1 is the inner, and this square root is the outer. And we're going to use that going forward to solve some examples here. So I'm going to find the derivative of this one here. So what I'm going to do is I like to just circle this chunk as the inner, and I know that I'm going to do the outer first. So f prime of x is equal to 8 times that 2x squared minus 1. I'm leaving the baby inside, and I raise it to the 7th power. What I then have to do is multiply by the derivative of the inside. So if I call this u, I can figure out what the derivative of the inside is by calling it du. And so this ends up being 4x. So I multiply this by 4x, and I am done. I could rewrite this if I wanted to, though, make it a little more simplified. So this would be 32x times 2x squared minus 1, all raised to the 7th power. Here's another example where I've got the sine function. So I've got this 4 plus 3x on the inside. And so when I go ahead and I take the derivative of the outer and I say it's g prime of x, I end up with the cosine of 4 plus 3x. And then I have to multiply it by that du. So this is my u here, and that's 4 plus 3x. And my du is going to be equal to just 3. So I multiply by 3 on the outside. And if I want to, I can rewrite this. So it's simplified, 3 times the cosine of 4 plus 3x. And that's the derivative of this function. And now the square root one. I've got this as the inside. First thing I'm going to do before I take a derivative, though, is, let me get a different color here. I'm rewriting this automatically as x cubed plus x minus 1 to the 1/2 power. This is just going to help us think of what we're doing so we can use that power rule example. So once again, I'm making this my u. And when I take the derivative of it, I get 3x squared plus 1. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative of this function here, the outer. So h prime of x is equal to 1/2 x cubed plus x minus 1 to the negative 1/2. And this is all times 3x squared plus 1. And make sure you put that in parentheses. So if I rewrite this, I'm going to have my 3x squared plus 1 on the top. And then I've got 2 times the square root of x cubed plus x minus 1. And that was for h prime of x.